equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the battery on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can significantly extend the life of your device. In this guide, we will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the task efficiently. First, gather your tools. You will need a T15 torque screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. Make sure your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged from the charger before you begin. Start by locating the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button to detach the battery from the main body. If you find it difficult to press, a flathead screwdriver can help gently pry it off without damaging the casing. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the battery compartment. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This step is crucial as it ensures a good connection for the new battery. Now, let's prepare to install the new battery. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, secure the battery in place by pressing it firmly until you hear a click. This indicates that the battery is locked in position. To ensure everything is secure, you can give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly attached. Now, it's time to replace the screws. Using your T15 torque screwdriver, insert the screws back into their original positions. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws or damage the casing. After securing the screws, it's a good idea to check the overall cleanliness of your vacuum. A clean vacuum performs better and lasts longer. If you need assistance with this, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your vacuum is in top shape. Once everything is back in place, plug your Dyson V10 back into the charger and allow it to charge fully before using it again. This will help the new battery reach its optimal performance. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer not to tackle it yourself, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our no calls, no travel service, you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. In summary, changing the battery on your Dyson V10 is a simple task that can be completed in just a few minutes with the right tools and guidance. Regular maintenance like this can keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.